Welcome back, Divas. Thank you for your support and your love. Welcome. Stay tuned. You need to measure the circumference of your neckline. This is my center back. So I measured the circumference of the neck. Our Facebook page has this. I'm going to take the circumference of the center front neckline. Now let's draft the collar. Rule a straight line and also square across the line at the edge. Now from the edge, I'm going to measure the depth of the collar. It's one piece collar, don't forget. Is either you use 6 centimeter or 9 centimeter or whatever you desire. So I have the height already, then I square across. Then I'll measure, this is the center back, it's going to be on fold. Then measure the width, that is the circumference of the center back neckline. You measure it. So this line is going to serve as the shoulder where the back and the center front meet. Now I'm going to measure the center front neckline measurement, then connect together in this direction. So this is my center front. The next thing now is from the edge here, from the tip of the center front, I'm going to measure up 1 centimeter. Or 3/8 inch, depends, 1 centimeter or 3/8 inch. Then connect to that shoulder line I spoke about earlier. It's not going to be straight. You slant it or you curve it with your curve slantly in this direction. So when you have this done, at the tip of the center front edge, somewhere here, I'm going to measure out 1 centimeter. You can use more, depends on how pointy you want the edge of your collar. So I'm going to also connect to where we measure up. That's 1 centimeter we measure up. I'm going to connect it to it. Slantly curved. There's no a straight thing, slantly curved. But if you want yours curved, straight, no wahala. So we are done with the collar already. We are done with it. So all I need to do is to cut out now. If you want the edge to be so pointy, you can increase it to 2 centimeter or 2.5. So cut out the pattern, notch the shoulder, the neckline shoulder, so you know where to key to the shoulder. So I have the full collar. So this is the result. This is what it looks like. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for staying tuned. Thank you.